nice AC bus. This person was very helpful to me. Buses are very good. Like this full people and Abhinandan here. So as you are going, anywhere you see it is extending. Okay, I am going to the wholesale, one of the wholesale, not the real big wholesale market is there, Central Mercado. But I am recording only this side. I am going to another one which is little smaller. Okay, to buy, check whether fruits are more reasonable over there. Because in a downtown tourist area, it is very expensive. Okay. So, I have seen when I was coming also, for nearly 50-60 kilometers from the city, into the city, there will always be traffic like this. These are all old houses. I have seen houses of 1870, 1850 and all. Because Buenos Aires was started in 1536. So let me, since I took a card like this, okay, so I do not know how much are the charges. You still see like this kind of buildings like you see in Barcelona. I was staying in Barcelona, go to the 4th floor over there, where you see there, in like that kind of room I was staying. In Barcelona, in Plaza de Catalunya, the main place in Barcelona at the beginning of La Rambla. Plaza de Catalunya is the main square over there. So in that place I was paying per day about $60, $60 or $70 per day for a 3rd floor, 4th floor it was, like this and only 1, 2, 3, 4th floor room. Here also you see lot of buildings like that, because these are all Spanish people only who came here. This is a 1-hour bus ride for going to the second biggest fruit market. So it's a very nice city, very neat, people are friendly, people are very helpful, and there's a traffic jam, and everywhere you'll see like this. In the road where I stay also, just imagine the road size is about 40 feet, but on either side there are about 12 floor, 15 floor buildings. So I slept heavily, had a long sleep, maybe 9 hours or 10 hours. Then I had coffee and biscuits, and then out of barley, I don't know, not out of, it smells like coffee, tastes like coffee, but not made out of coffee seed. It's made out of barley. So since it is a nice AC buses, you feel very convenient to sit and look at the whole city. But I will just check it out, how much it takes from distance to distance. Someone told every bus stop it is 500 pesos. That is too expensive. That is stupidity. She is a stupid person. Okay. But I'll check it later. Very slowly going. Either side on the road, I'm seeing from that time, like the shops are going there. See, same kind of building. Like this, you see lot of them. These are all very old buildings. while I'm recording, I'm getting a view of both the side and seeing what and all kind of businesses are there. See, everyone, I like this kind of houses. See, you have that balcony projecting at that curvature. In Barcelona, you could see a lot of them, and I stayed in that kind of hotel. So it's very neat. The city is very neat. Now I want to go to the periphery and see. Now this is at the center place where I'm going now. Whether there it is dirty or neat like this, I just want to see. See some brand prune. Since it's a nice bus, the windows are very clear. Only 3 months here, then I have to go to Chile. Chile gives a 3 months visa on USA visa. So a lot of things I'm finding out one after another. I have not taken still the SIM card. Yesterday I did the research in the evening to buy the best one. In one shop where they're having the best 2 months package, that lady over there is saying 10,000 peso for the SIM card. That's about $7, $6.5 for just a SIM card. While other places they are only charging $1. One time you go in a couple of buses which will be very reasonable in cost. You will be able to get the whole topography of the city. Of course there are hundreds of buses. There's a metro also, and there may be another one also, something. 3 transportations are there. With this card I can use all the public transport. I am also looking for a room which will be away from downtown. Downtown is bona fide. I like that word very much. The business what Abhinandan does is a bona fide business. Not like other people in India who does for 3 months, 6 months time. And you know what they'll say? Make money and come out, let other people lose money. I'll tell you who and all has told that. So, the business what Abhinandan does is a bona fide business. Because I take 3 months to study before I educate other people. I may take the business, but before I educate others, I'll have studied it for 3 months' time. Does anyone do like that? So Abhinandan does bona fide businesses. bona fide small global affiliate referral online referral businesses, and that is the best way to earn money if you don't want headache, tension and stress, and you can earn while you are traveling also. Though the video is only for 10 minutes, I've traveled for more than 30 minutes right now, more than 25-30 minutes, but I pause in between. So anyhow, if at all you are accidentally watching this on YouTube, you can WhatsApp Abhinandan and I will share the bona fide business. Do you know what is the meaning of the word bona fide? Check what is the meaning of bona fide on Google. Okay? I can say it, but you have to check it. Bona fide means not with the intention to cheat. Other businesses are with other online businesses are with the intention to cheat. Most of the other businesses promoted by other people are with the intention to cheat. Yesterday I went near the Congress. Oh, here there's a car. I have to go check it over here. See, these never-ending shops. And like this kind of road, what I see, lot of them are there. Every few minutes, just one lane, there is one on road. I think this is called Avenue Rivadavia. I'll stop it. Right now, I do. The shops have become smaller, but yet I'll enjoy watching it. But I'll stop recording. Country and living. So there's a lot of places to see in Buenos Aires. But I'm building my foundation for what I want. Only 2 or 3 positive people are there who are going through my videos and websites. So anyway, I'll stop it right now. I cannot show the other side. Other side, some theater is there, that side. Here people enjoy watching theaters. I'll stop it.